Now that I'm here, how do I leave you behind? Been at it for days. My body shapes the same. Am I just floating around, excusing all my actions? Swore I'd get some help. I show up empty-handed. Why did I come here today? I should've chose the mountain hanging from a tree. I'm far from any savior.